And today it's finally time to put the wind chargers tower, which obviously is this part, into the ground. Okay, here we are. Post level indicates this thing is absolutely straight and plumb and square and everything is fine. So now as soon as my assistant over there is finished with the concrete, we can start filling in this bad boy. Everything's still nice and square here. We are done with this part of the proceedings. I just put the date on so that it's official, and now I'm going to leave this thing to cure for about a week or so. We are expecting rain in another few hours, so that's very good. I've been coming here twice a day to just water this because I want this to dry out really slowly, to cure for a long time. I put in some waterproofing compound in there as well, which I don't know if that'll help, but I'm sure it won't harm. So in another week's time, then this thing should be done, and then we can put up the tower itself. It can then come up straight. So that's going to be a very exciting day. But this is great, making progress one little bit at a time. And yesterday afternoon it was a week, so the concrete has had the opportunity to cure nicely. And last night I just couldn't wait. I had to see what it looks like. So the tower is just a 3-meter one, so it's not very high, but as you can see from the wind here in the background, we have quite a bit of wind here. It's going to be right in the teeth of the wind. So I'll see if that works, and if it doesn't, then we'll extend it, because I've got another 3-meter length of pipe like this, which we can then use to extend that one and take it all the way up there. But today we're gonna fit the head to this thing and see what that looks like. And we have results. Yeah, as you can see, this thing needs, here behind me, needs fairly strong wind before it starts going. It hasn't been connected yet. I just couldn't wait to see what it looks like up there on the tower, and I think it's great. So in the next few days, we're gonna lay the cable and then get the electrician out to connect it so that we can get some electricity out of it. It's rated as 400 watt, but honestly I think it will only achieve that 400 watt when there's a pretty strong wind blowing. Now we do get that from time to time, and it's more often than not it's at night, which is fantastic because then it can supplement the solar panels. But yeah, I'm gonna end this video here now, and I want to thank you guys for your patience and for all my many errors and being sometimes being rather repetitive, because I can't remember what I said in a video of that was filmed, a part of the video that was filmed 2 weeks ago. Cheers guys, bye. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this, remember to like and subscribe. Bye.